Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. How to make natural homemade peach jam detailed recipe. This jam will be great for those looking for a sweet treat with bread for breakfast. There is 1 case of peaches here, a total of 20 kilograms. 5 kilograms of hard peaches are selected from. Weight will be checked. 5 kilograms of hard peaches. Peaches being added to the large pot. Needs to be washed with cold water. After the peaches are washed, 1 round is cut from the middle with a knife and divided into 2. Remove the core of the peaches. Peach skins need to be peeled. First cut them in half, then peel the skins off. You can slice the peaches into cubes or long if desired. According to your slicing preference, they are chopped long here, so it will be understood that these are peaches. Aluminum pots will be used for boiling. It is better to use steel pots for health reasons. Sliced peaches being added to the pot. There were 5 kilograms of peaches with their skins and seeds. Adding 3 kilograms of sugar. 10 grams of baking powder. After adding the sugar, shake the pot to mix it. In this way, it will be kept for 3 to 4 hours with the lid closed and will be watered. After 4 hours, the peaches are to be boiled. Stir with wooden spoon. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Boil like this for 25 minutes. You can get the foam formed on it. After 25 minutes of boiling, remove the peaches. It is taken out so that the peaches do not burn and their color is not black. You can add lemon salt or lemon juice. Boil the juice of the jam in this way for 15 minutes. To check the consistency, pour a spoon on the plate and wait for it to cool. You can check the consistency of the jam in this way. Add the peaches again, and boil again for 20 minutes. Boiled for a total of 1 hour, cooked for 15 minutes without peaches, just by boiling the water. Peach jam being added hot into glass jars. Since it is hot now, its consistency is liquid. When it cools, its consistency will be more solid. 1 day after. Peach jam ready to be served as dessert for breakfast. It will be wonderfully delicious with unsweetened tea on the side. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate recipes Chef Salim, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.